We think we are broken, shattered into 1,000 pieces by the weight of our past. We see only the cracks, the jagged edges. But look closer. Each fragment catches the light in a way the whole never could. This is not a broken thing you see, it is a mosaic, a masterpiece of survival, reflecting a light uniquely its own. So many of us are drowning in an ocean of yesterday, anchored to a past we can't change. We fight to stay afloat, exhausted by the weight. But the choice was never to be stronger than the anchor. The choice was always to find the courage to let go of the rope. There is a garden that grows in the quietest part of the soul, planted in the soil of our deepest wounds. We water it with tears, with hope, with silent determination. And though we toil in darkness, convinced nothing will grow, one day a single bloom appears. At first, it is fragile, a defiant spark of color in the monochrome of memory. This bloom is not a sign that the wound has vanished. It is proof that you have learned to grow around it, to weave it into the fabric of who you are. It is a testament that the most beautiful things are born from the places we thought were broken forever. So tend to this sacred ground, for you are not just the survivor of the winter, you are the architect of the spring that follows.